Hi, I am Gautam Dinesh from R.E.A.D Club, showing you an experiment on formation of carbon dioxide. What you need for this experiment is a glass, synthetic vinegar and baking soda. So now I am going to pour some of this vinegar in, and I am going to pour some baking soda in. Vinegar is a solution with acetic acid in it, and baking soda is a basic compound which its scientific name is sodium bicarbonate. These two mix together to make sodium acetate, water and carbon dioxide. The gas produced by this is very harmful for our lungs, so you should keep away from it. Thank you.